Hello viewers, welcome to LinuxSimply. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share files between Linux and Windows. So let's get started. At first, I'm going to open the Ubuntu terminal. Here I'm going to use Samba to share files. But before that, you have to install and configure it, and you also have to create a folder to share files. And I have created a tutorial explaining these stuffs. You will find this tutorial in the description box. Now I'm going to check the IP address of the system, and for this I'm going to use ifconfig command and tap on the enter button to continue. This is the IP address of my system. Now I'll go to the Windows. After starting my Windows system, I'll go inside the folders, and in this section I'll type the address of the folder I'm going to use to share files, and I'm going to use slash for this, the IP address of the Linux system, 68.206.129, and a slash, and the name of the folder, and I named the folder Sambashare. And after this I'm going to tap on the enter button. As you can see, it is asking for a username and the password. So in here I'm going to type the username of my Linux system, which is Sylvie, and the password of my Linux system again, and I'll click on this OK button. As you can see, I have access to the folder I created in my Linux system from Windows system. This folder was created to share files. Now I'm going to create a file inside the folder, and I'm clicking on this new item, text document. So I'm going to name it my file and tap enter. As you can see, I have created a file inside my Windows system. Now I'm going to check if the file does exist in my Linux system or not. For this, I'm going inside my Linux system again. To search the file in my Linux system, I'll go inside the folder that I created for sharing files. So I'm going to click cd change directory to Sambashare. This is the folder I created in my Linux system. Now I'm tapping on the enter button to continue. As you can see, now I'm inside this folder, and I'm going to use the ls command here to check the file, and option L. This ls command is used to show the files and the folders inside a specific folder. Also here I'm using it to see what is inside this Sambashare folder, and this option L will show the long listing format of the files and folders. Now tapping on the enter button to continue. As you can see, this is a file I created in my Windows system, and this is now I can see from my Linux system too. This is how you can share files between Linux and Windows. That's all for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you find this complicated, you can always read the full article